Friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with our today's video. Take a sheet of this color first and start folding it into this manner. After folding it like this, you simply have to make these bristles over the sheet. After doing it, you can paste some glue over it and see how perfectly we have placed eyes and we have made this. Take another sheet and make a cone out of it. Then take another pair of sheet and then you simply have to make this shape and insert it inside it. Make a mushroom out of this and give it a happy look. Make a circle and after making the circle, you have to fold it. After folding it, insert some tape and place these sheets over one another. After doing so, you can simply fold it or unfold it and you can get an umbrella like this. Now take a pair of scissors and then you can simply make this fish with the help of your sheet. And don't forget to add these for a perfect look. Now take another sheet and then place fish over it and see how perfect this fish looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.